Good morning, everyone. Today is February 26, 2026.
And I'm getting a lot better.
Okay.
Okay, so my meme is still working.
Ano? No? Okay, today's video is a... What type of video is this? Proof of life video.
Live videos.
Okay, magkukwento bali ako about what happened to us.
To us for 2026.
Okay. Anak no, mag-laptop ka na, mamaya ka na sumama.
Am I bigat?
Oo. Okay guys, so to start off, napansin nyo naman, nag-iba
Dad,
nung...
I'm been growing. My hair's growing.
Yeah, and ako din, nawalan ng buhok. Actually, mahaba na to kasi sobrang ikli nito nung nagpagupit kami back in November. Okay. Here goes. Simulan natin sa very start. The last time that we posted the video was on August 16, 2025. Ito nung Delimondo, tapa flavor. That was a day after our third to the last visit in the ER in the emergency room. So, bakit kami pumunta ng emergency room nung August 15? Okay, prior to that, I'll just let you know that starting July, Jazz has been experiencing excessive vomiting. Tapos that was July 8. July 10, dinala ko na siya sa emergency room. Tapos, July 10, nung nasa emergency room kami, napansin ko na para nagko-cross nung eyes niya. Cross-eye, naduduling siya. Pero, hindi ko siya sinabi sa doktor. Ang main concern ko noon was Jazz's excessive vomiting. Kasi it was like vomiting 16, 18 times a day.
Yeah, it was since last year.
Oo. Tapos, we were advised na nung vomiting, meron lang siyang acute gastritis. Pero I asked saan nakuha and they're not able to provide information. Tapos yun, he was given meds. And from there, continuous ko na siyang napapansin na naduduling. So,
And
and
right now, I can look up.
mamaya pa. Hindi pa natin nakukwento lahat eh. So, mamaya ka na. Hindi pa nila alam what happened eh. Ayun. So, from July 10 to August 15, we went back and forth sa hospital like 5 times. On the 6th day, which was, yun nga, August 15, we met with the 6th doctor and she said na, yes, mommy, you're correct. It's not normal. I-refer kita sa Pedia Opta. The previous 5 doctors, one even commented na it's normal yung cross eyes niya because he's wearing glasses and the eyes need adjustment period within like 3 months. Yun. So, there, August 15, referred to the Pedia Opta, set kami ng appointment. Ang earliest available was September 1st, 7 in the morning. Ayun, continuous ng vomiting ni Jazzy. Duling na siya most of the time. Tapos, blurred vision. Tapos, August 28, nung linggo ng wika sa school, nag-perform pa siya, pero nag-fever na siya noon. September 1st, that's a Monday, we went to the doctor 7 in the morning and we were advised by the Opta na baka may pumutok na ugat, baka nagkaroon ng brain aneurysm, kaya baka merong basta yun, baka pumutok. Pa-MRI si Jazz with contrast. Pagpa-schedule ka na. So, nung time na yun, magpapaschedule kami, and before we have this schedule, we need to have clearance. Ayun. Pero si Jazz kasi, he's like complaining na eh. August 29 pa lang, Saturday. Basta yun, Sabado. August 30. Nagko-complain na siya. Sobrang sakit ng head niya. Pwede na ba siya mag-ER? Sabi ng mami ko, wag na daw. Antayin na lang daw nung appointment sa doktor ng September 1st. Ayan. So, while we're waiting for the clearance, para makapagpaset ng appointment for the MRI. Just to give you a brief heads up, pag magpapaschedule ng appointment, that would take 1 to 2 weeks, tapos results will be 1 to 2 weeks as well. So, tinanong ko ng doktor, Doc, pwede na, hapon na to, Doc, pwede po bang pumunta na kami ng ER? Kasi, I'm really concerned dahil si Jazz umiiyak na sa sobrang sakit ng ulo, tsaka nag-fever. Sabi niya, sige, go ahead lang, mommy. Pumunta na kayo ng ER. So, we went to the emergency room. Makati Med, around 5 in the afternoon. Tapos, he had his MRI. Hindi siya pinatulog, ha? Grabe. Gising siya when he was doing the MRI. That's more than an hour of lying still. Tapos, lumabas yung resulta ng MRI 9 in the evening. Ang pinakausap sa akin over the phone nung head neuro ng Makati Med. And they told me na Jazz has a tumor on his pineal gland. I was surprised. I was shocked. Takot ako. Because I was already thinking na ano ba yan? May autism nga si Jazz, may ADHD, meron pa siyang may tumor pa siya. Pero hindi pa nagsisink in sa utak ko na he has cancer. Jazz has cancer. He has a germinoma, pineal gland cancer. So, around 10 ng gabi, yun nga, nakausap ko nung doktor. Tapos, she told me, kung dito siya gagalawin, walang adult neuro, walang pedia-neuro, papayag ba ako na gumalaw sa kanya, adult? Sabi ko, hindi. Pag dito siya, ICU. At mahal ang ICU per night times 10 ng doktor. Pwede ko kaya, wala akong pera. Tapos, sabi niya, pwede ka naming i-refer sa ibang hospital. So, I was thinking, PCMC kasi I have a friend na is a neurosurgeon sa PCMC. However, hindi ko siya makontak. So, sabi ko, kayo po, Doc, meron po ba kayo ma-refer? So, she then referred me to her fellow from PGH. Nung time na yon, katext ko na nung mga friends ko, nung mga family ko. Tsaka, may kumontak dun sa lawyer ko, na ninang ni Jazz. Sabi niya, ate, pa-transfer ka na sa PGH kasi magagaling mga doktor doon. Yung mga doktor dyan sa Makati may galing yung PGH. So, yun. Around 11 p.m., tumawag na sa akin nung pedia-neuro from PGH. They said na, magpa-discharge ka na dyan, tapos magkita tayo tomorrow, dito, September 2, dito sa Healthway PGH, 9 in the morning. Discharge kami, 2-3 a.m., 8 a.m., nasa Healthway na kami, Qualimed. Tapos, we met with the doctor around like 9:30 in the morning. And then from there, we discussed his her treatment plan for Jazz. And then she gave us this admission order. She had a staff pushed us, push Jazz, kasi si Jazz naka wheelchair na, kasi nga sobrang sakit na ng ulo niya, tsaka nagfe-fever na. Tapos ayun, the staff pushed us papuntang ER. Tapos sa ER, inassist kami agad ng mga residente doon ng pedya. Kasi sinabihan niya na pala nung pedia neuro namin, sinabihan niya na nung mga residente na meron akong pasyente, assist them para makakuha agad ng room. So, nakakuha kami agad ng bed. You know what? Nung isang tita ng ka-schoolmate ni Jazz, she's working sa PGHER and she saw us. Bago pala niya kami makita, yung mga doktor kumakausap sa kanila na, may bed ba? Kailangan natin ng bed. Meron tayong pasyente, importante, under kay doc ganito. So, nung pinag-usapan nila, may VIP tayong patient, may VIP tayong patient. Tapos, nakita niya si Jazz. Si Jazz pala to. Tapos, from there, nalaman na sa school na Jazz is confined. Ayun. Tapos, we were in the emergency room, admission area, pay ward, for 3 days. Kasi, we're waiting for a room. Nasa hallway lang kami.
Love you.
Love you more. Nasa hallway lang kami nun. So, on the 3rd day, September 5, nakaakit na kami ng room, pero it's not a solo room, it's a semi-private room, so that means 2 beds. So, yun na, tuloy-tuloy na, kasi sinwab si Jazz while in the emergency room lumabas ng resulta, nandun na kami sa semi-private room, meron siyang hospital-acquired influenza A, tapos he's already considered as immunocompromised, kaya kailangan namin solo room. So, na-transfer kami agad ng September 5. Hindi, 2 days pa kami. 2 days pa kami dun sa semi-private So, transfer kami. Kasi na, tuloy-tuloy na. All in all, parang first admission namin, we were there for like 37 days. Tapos, overall, starting September 1st, we were hospitalized 5 times. That already includes all of the chemo sessions, MRI, and then 1 ER admission, 3 days, kasi bumagsak nung hemoglobin, hematocrit ni Jazz, kailangan siyang salinan ng dugo. Sinalinan siya 2 beses. And, sa lahat ng admission namin na yon, nakasakay kami ng ambulansya 2 beses. Tapos, we're very thankful for people who has helped us, who has supported us, who kept on praying for us up until now. Our family, our friends, our lawyer, schoolmates, from elementary, high school, college, Jazz's schoolmates, teachers, therapy owners, business owners, office mates, friends na hindi ko naman naging classmate pero naging friends. Alam mo yun? Relatives, kapitbahay, we receive plenty of help. There are multiple people who has helped us acquire guarantee letters. The guarantee letters help us with our bill, our first admission bill. Kasi it was really high. We have multiple doctors and multiple anesthesiologists. So, the guarantee letters only covers hospital admission, hospital fee, and 50% of the professional fees. So, nung 50% cash yun, syempre everyday pa kami kumakain, morning, lunch, dinner. Tapos mga meds pa, there are things that we needed for his operation, for his surgeries, na hindi available sa hospital, so we have to buy it ourselves, and it's very expensive. I'm really grateful for work, for my bosses. Grabe, I'm very grateful for everybody, my relatives, my mom, my dad, my sister-in-law, my brother, oh my God, my sister, oh my God, everybody, my titos, my titas, my cousins. Sobra. We're very grateful for the help, for the support, for the assistance that we have been receiving from you guys. Hindi ako humingi ng tulong sa ibang tao, sa family ko lang. Parang consistent ako nagpo-post. Every day ako nagpo-post. Daily. Kumbaga, whenever we're in the hospital, daily ako nagpo-post. Kasi it's a way for me to release some stress eh. I was really stressed. I started 87 kilos and now I'm up to 98 kilos. Jazz started at 42 kilos, went down as low as 32 kilos, and now he's slowly getting his weight back. He's currently at 37.5 kilos. Ako, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ilulose nung weight kasi sobrang ang taba-taba ko na. Ang laki talaga ng tinaba ko. Ang hiningi kong tulong actually, yung paglago ng YouTube channel namin. Kasi it's actually a way for us to get money. Yun. So, here's some clips that I will show you regarding what happened to Jazz. Hi. Hi, everyone.
Hi, everybody.
Please continue to pray for me.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Salamat po. I talked to the doctor and then asked her if I can have visitors, and I can!
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's going to happen today?
They will put a small device inside of me, and then it will hurt afterwards.
That device is for what?
Medicine.
For medicine. Hi, guys.
Hi,
Thank
guys.
you so much.
Thank you so much for supporting me and thinking about me.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye.
Morning, everybody.
Morning, everybody. So I had my injection last night.
We really wanted to go home.
Yeah. To see our pets, so that we all really wanted to go home so that I can play with my toys and my mommy can rest and mama can feed the soy.
We're just waiting for our breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast.
We're already discharged, but we're just waiting for so many things.
Yes, so many things.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
See you guys next
See you guys
later.
later. Bye.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
So, good morning.
Good morning.
Today is October 14, 2025. And this is our surprise ulam test.
Yes.
Actually, hindi siya surprise ulam. Hindi kami nagbukas.
I always eat it.
Yeah. Pinapili ko si Jazz kasi nung mga pinadala ng sister-in-law ko, may mga nakabalot. Tapos meron nung mga piniprito, hindi na siya nakabalot. So, makikita nung laman. Meron chicken cordon bleu at saka nung pork tonkatsu. So, pinapili ko ng anak ko kung gusto niya mag-open ng surprise ulam o mamimili siya dun sa dalawa. Pinili ni Jazz pork tonkatsu. So, pinrito ko na siya. This is the finished product.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Tita Tepe.
Thank you so much, Tita Tepe. My head.
Hey, you're so pogi. How about my hair? I don't have hair too.
You're so ganda.
Hmm?
Kahit na wala kang buhok, ganda pa rin.
Ikaw din, kahit na semical ka, napaka-pogi mo.
Thanks.
See you guys later.
See you
Manganta
guys
yun!
Maganda yun! Bye! Good morning, everybody. This is day 5 and 3 hours left of chemo.
Morning guys. Bigla ako sinipon. So bawal na ako dito. Alis na ako, hindi na ako papakita kay Jess. Ewan ko ba't ako sinipon?
I don't know also. And she doesn't have an inhaler because she gave it to Mama Birds.
What do you wanna say? Thank you guys.
Thank you so much
for
for always
support
supporting me
and
and my mommy
praying.
and praying for me.
Good morning.
Morning!
Morning.
Good morning, everybody. Today's the last day of my radiation. I'm so excited. So we're on our way to radiation
Where?
sa San Juan de Dios.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
For always
for always supporting and praying for us.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
Ayan. So, ito na nga. I wanted to thank everybody.
And what same with me for all the support and prayers.
Look, Jazz is getting better.
Yeah.
He finished all of his chemo sessions
And radiation
and
session.
radiation sessions, and we're just waiting for our schedule for the MRI to see if the tumor
Is gone
gone
or
or
smaller.
yeah, and if we need the next treatment phase, if we need surgery or continue lang with our hemo-onco monitoring,
Yeah.
or additional chemo or radiation treatment. So yeah, I wanted to also thank all of the doctors,
That are getting me better.
wait lang anak our hemo-onco, our rad-onco, our pedia-neuro surgeon, anesthesiologist, TCVS surgeon,
Yeah.
her anesthesiologist, our ear doctor, eye doctor, our rad techs, our med techs, our nurses, our nursing aides, the maintenance team. I also wanted to thank the sari-sari store, the restaurants, ano pa ba? Madami, sobrang ang dami naming doktor. The secretaries, all of the fellows, and the residents of our doctors who assisted us. One very special mention, Dr. Ruby, we love you so much. Jazz misses you so much. We hope to see you soon. Of course, Dr. Lukban, she's the best. She's the bomb. Actually, all of our doctors are the best. Dr. Bats, sobrang lahat sila. Doc Pedro, Doc Pino, anong pangalan nun? Nung isang fellow, nung isang residente ng TCVS, kapit village namin sa QC. Sobra taas noong pasasalamat sa inyo sa pagbigay ninyo ng best care sa aking anak. Sabi ko hindi ako iiyak this video kasi tapos na nung moment kong umiyak. Pero yan, naluluha na naman ako. Thank you to the UPPGH team, to St. Luke's BGC and QC team, to San Juan de Dios Hospital team. Thank you so much. PhilHealth team, billing. Thank you sa mga sa mga kagawad, ako, kagawad Gary, we love you so much. Sa mga politicians na nakapagbigay sa amin ng guarantee letters, sa mga staff sa Makati City Hall staff, and politicians sa City Hall. Nako, sa staff ng PWD, sa staff ng DSWD, MSWD, maraming salamat po. Nako, nung lawyer namin, Tita Ninang, ate, we love you so much, attorney. Nako, papa ko, nako, mama ko, grabe. Ayun. Yun lang. Wala na akong masabi. We're all good. Jazz, come here. Jazz is getting better. Yeah. Bumabalik. Nung last video namin, napansin nyo, malamang sa palaman nung medyo may pagka-cross-eye na nung mata niya.
Yeah, you can.
Anak dito. Pero ngayon, wala na. Ito na. Perfect. Perfect eyesight.
Yeah.
So, foggy.
Yeah.
Wala pa kaming, hindi pa kami nakakapag-meet sa bago naming doktor sa Pedia Opta.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Asahan ninyo, magpo-post kami ng mga panibagong videos.
Opo.
Thank you po sa
Thank you
mga
so much.
classmates.
Thank you.
You know, kilala nyo kung sino kayo. Ayan. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Don't forget
Don't
to
forget-
hit.
The like button and the subscribe button.
We love you so
Love you so
much.
much.
See you guys
See you
next
guys
time.
next time.
Bye.
Oh my.